Are we? Come close. Let's start.
If you not say that, and come out.
I know you're ready to publish your book. You've done quite a number of things and you are asking, what's next, right? Okay, so this will be a two-part video. I will be sharing 10 things you need to know before you publish your book. Follow me. 1, don't skip professional editing. Make sure your manuscript is edited by professional, not your brother that you just feel that he or she is good with English.
Do they use your function to play?
You want to work with professional editors to help with correcting the spellings, the grammar and all that. 2, don't rush your cover. You want to invest in getting it right when it comes to your cover design, because of course this is the first thing your readers will notice. You want to get it done right. 3, don't ignore formatting. Many of you will just rush and convert it from Microsoft Word and boom, you think your manuscript is set for publication. No, you want to work with a professional book designer to get it formatted rightly. There is a standard to this. 4, don't rush the publishing process. You may be tempted to just want to get the book out, fast, maybe because you want to bear that side to author. Take it one step at a time.
Relax.
5, don't ignore the importance of book review. This is very important because, of course, it gives credibility to your book. When 1-2 persons are saying good stuff about your book, it's kind of give credibility to that manuscript, to that book of yours. You want to thank me? What that brings forward. But please do one thing, share, like, comment, and follow for content bits.